Welcome back to Auto BS, where we break down the most advanced machines ruling the skies. Today, we're diving into one of the most intriguing and futuristic aircraft China has ever developed, the 2026 Divine Eagle fighter jet. It's big, it's stealthy, it's bizarre, and it might just be rewriting the rules of aerial warfare. At first glance, the Divine Eagle doesn't look like your typical fighter jet. That's because it's not just a fighter, it's an airborne surveillance and electronic warfare powerhouse. Its most distinctive feature is its twin-fuselage design. This gives the Divine Eagle a wide wingspan and massive surface area, perfect for carrying large radar systems, sensors, and electronic warfare equipment. Think of it as a flying control tower combined with a stealth drone and a spy satellite all rolled into one. Now let's talk about its core mission. The Divine Eagle is designed for high-altitude, long-endurance operations. Its main role isn't to dogfight like an F-22 or launch airstrikes like a Su-35. Instead, it's built to detect, track, and disrupt enemy stealth aircraft and ballistic missiles from far away before they even get close. Using its advanced anti-stealth radar systems mounted on the upper fuselage, this aircraft can scan vast areas of airspace, identifying threats that other systems might miss. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 Divine Eagle is its radar suite. It reportedly uses multiple active electronically scanned array AESA radars, specifically designed to detect low observable aircraft like the F-35 and B-2. These radars can operate on low-frequency bands that stealth fighters are more vulnerable to. That gives China a strategic edge in neutralizing enemy stealth platforms. In terms of propulsion and endurance, the Divine Eagle is rumored to be powered by twin high-bypass turbofan engines. These engines are optimized for efficiency at high altitudes rather than speed. This isn't a jet that zips through the sky, it cruises high and stays up for extended surveillance and jamming missions. Some estimates suggest it can stay airborne for more than 12 hours, making it ideal for persistent coverage in contested zones. From a design perspective, its unique shape isn't just for looks. The wide and long airframe is optimized for lifting heavy radar arrays and staying stable at high altitudes. It's also designed to reduce radar cross-section from above and below, meaning it can sneak through contested zones while monitoring enemy activity in real time. Another standout capability is its potential role in electronic warfare. The Divine Eagle can jam enemy radar systems, communications, and even GPS signals, making it a critical asset in disabling enemy networks during high-stakes operations. It's part of China's larger strategy to dominate the electromagnetic spectrum in future conflicts. Now, while the Divine Eagle is not a traditional fighter jet with missiles and dogfighting maneuvers, it plays a critical role in the modern battlefield. It acts as an eye in the sky, a command center, and a stealth hunter all at once. It's the type of aircraft that enables other jets to do their jobs better, whether it's detecting hidden threats, guiding missiles, or blinding enemy defenses before a strike. In short, the 2026 Divine Eagle is a game changer. It's not about speed or firepower, it's about control, awareness, and denying the enemy the advantage of stealth. It shows how China is thinking beyond traditional air combat, moving into the realm of information dominance and electronic superiority. Thanks for watching Auto BS. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the world's most advanced military technology. Stay sharp, and see you in the next one.